All right, in today's video, we're gonna be doing everything that it takes to get the cresseter prepared for the fender flares to be basically permanently mounted to the vehicle. Most importantly, we're going to be prepping and painting the rear door jambs. We're gonna paint them black in preparation for there to eventually be overspray that goes inside there and kind of feathers out the rest of the color that the car is going to be, but this is just so that way we have some final color and clear inside of there to make sure that it's protected when everything's all sealed up. But you'll see that we do a bunch of other very little things to get it all prepared. I do finally put the seals back on. I'm very happy that I have everything relatively organized, so I was able to find those pretty easily. But yeah, we put in all the seals and everything back in the rear doors, so that way when they're nice and sealed up and not able to open basically ever again, we have all of our weather seals in place. So pretty much this entire video is just going to be all the prep up until we get the fender flares able to get them on. I did kind of screw around a little bit, put the lip and the rear wing on. I am filming this after basically I did everything, and then the next video after this will be putting on the fender flares themselves. This video was filmed over the course of like a couple weeks. It took a little bit longer than anticipated, but we finally have the car to a point where we can permanently adhere the fender flares to the car. So we're gonna go ahead and do that in the next video, but I appreciate you guys sticking along, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and peace out.